Windows wants you to upgrade to either Windows Vista, the best operating system in the world, Mac OS X, or Linux. Upgrade to one of those operating systems to continue. No, no, no.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning effective until 9:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:23 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing large funnel clouds, possibly producing a tornado, and high winds in excess of 75 miles per hour. This storm was located about 20 miles south of Gary, Indiana, or about 10 miles east of Kankakee, Illinois. This storm will be near the Chicago area by 7:55 p.m., DeKalb Junction by 8:10 p.m., Joliet by 8:20 p.m., Kankakee by 8:30 p.m., Pontiac by 8:40 p.m., Bloomington by 8:50 p.m., and by Peoria by 9 p.m. Remember, thunderstorms are one of nature's #1 killers. In an event of a thunderstorm, please stay away from all windows. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a reinforced building. Repeat, the National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning effective until 9:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Okay, I believe you now, but you should know, I'm still not going with Internet Explorer or Safari. Fool. You've just lost your internet connection, because you refused to use Internet Explorer or Safari. No. I want to regain access to Firefox and my internet connection. Stupid swatting computer. You're just trying to tick me off now, aren't you?